Laundry gear. You're about to wash your clothes today. Yeah, go. See the smile on her face. You're so happy. Yes. Why is she put? This is not how to wash clothes. I keep putting, put the rest. I put. Good girl. Put it inside. Put it inside the washing machine. No, not like. Aria, not like this now. Which kind? Is this how you wash your clothes when you grow up? Beautiful. Yes, I put it inside. Yes, good girl. Wow. I put the second one. Yes, thank you too. You're welcome. Don't we'll bring it out before I wash. I put again. Wow, you press the button. Put. Good girl. Yes. Oopsie. Pick it now. Very good. Yes, oopsie. No, push it inside.
Sorry, guys.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Put it inside. Put it inside. Alright, push it now. Which kind of house girl be this?
Sorry.